What's up, guys? Today we're going to take a look at the best welding tables on the market for this year. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started. Number 5. VEVOR Welding Table. The VEVOR welding table offers a generous work area measuring 36 inches by 18 inches, providing ample space for a variety of welding projects. Whether you're working on intricate pieces or larger components, this table accommodates your needs with ease. Superior stability and safety. Crafted from sturdy carbon steel, this welding workbench boasts an impressive weight capacity of up to 1,200 pounds. Its advanced carbon steel plate surface is not only highly durable but also resistant to wear and rust, ensuring long-lasting performance even in demanding environments. Convenient fixturing options. Equipped with 94 and 5/8-inch fixture holes and 4 tool slots, the VEVOR welding table makes it easy to clamp fixtures securely in place. The innovative tool tray design not only maximizes storage space, but also keeps essential tools within easy reach, enhancing productivity in your workspace. Enhanced mobility. Designed for both safety and convenience, the VEVOR welding table features braking lockable casters that prevent accidental movement while ensuring effortless relocation when needed. The sleek handle design adds a touch of elegance to the table's aesthetic without compromising functionality. Effortless assembly. Number 4. Eastwood Adjustable Steel Welding Table. The Eastwood welding table features a foldable design, allowing you to easily store it when not in use. When folded, it measures a compact 42-inch tall x 30 inches wide by 7 inches deep, making it ideal for workshops with limited space. Its lightweight construction, weighing only 30 pounds, ensures effortless transportation and maneuverability. Adjustable work surface. With its adjustable tabletop angles, the Eastwood welding table enables you to customize your work position for maximum comfort and precision. Whether you're welding at different angles or heights, this table offers flexibility to accommodate your needs, enhancing overall productivity. Durable construction. Crafted from sturdy steel, this welding table is built to withstand the rigors of industrial use. The 14-gauge plated work surface provides a reliable platform for welding projects, while the 3 1.1-inch wide slots allow for easy clamp configuring, ensuring secure and stable workpiece placement. Versatile fixturing options. The Eastwood welding table can be fixed in 3 angled positions, offering versatility for a variety of welding applications. Whether you're working on flat surfaces or intricate components, this table provides the stability and support you need to achieve professional results. Number 3. Strongand Tools Nomad Welding Table. The Nomad Economy Welding Table features 3 1.1-inch slots in the tabletop, providing flexibility for the insertion of clamps at any point on the table. This allows for secure and precise positioning of workpieces during welding tasks, enhancing accuracy and efficiency. Adjustable work surface. This welding table offers 3 tilt positions: horizontal, 30 degrees, and folded for mobility. Whether you need a flat surface or a tilted angle for better access to your workpiece, the Nomad welding table provides the flexibility you need to tackle various welding projects with ease. Practical utility clamp. The included utility clamp boasts a 6.5-inch capacity and 500 pounds clamping pressure, making it suitable for light-duty tasks in your workshop. With a Q-ring stop feature, the clamp can be set up 10 times faster than a traditional C-clamp, saving you time and effort during setup and adjustment. Adjustable height and mobility. The tabletop height of the Nomad welding table can be adjusted from 26 to 32, 660 to 810 millimeters. Number 2. Klutch Steel Welding Table. Crafted from high-quality alloy steel and metal, the Klutch welding table boasts a sturdy 4 mm thick fixed-position steel top supported by a 2 mm thick steel frame. With a weight capacity of up to 600 pounds, this table provides a solid foundation for a wide range of welding projects, ensuring stability and reliability. Exceptional flexibility. The Klutch welding table features standard 16 mm holes evenly spaced 2 inches apart, offering exceptional flexibility in fixture setup. This allows you to customize the arrangement of fixtures and accessories according to your specific welding requirements, enhancing precision and efficiency in your work. Comprehensive toolkit. Included with the welding table is a 24-piece metal fit-up kit comprising threaded adapters, stop bases with stop plates, magnetic rests, V-blocks, and inserted clamps. This comprehensive toolkit provides everything you need to securely position and support workpieces during welding. Number 1. Strongand Tools FixturePoint Welding Table. The Build Pro modular welding table features precision ground steel plates with CNC machined 5/8" holes in a 2-inch grid pattern. This unique configuration provides numerous clamping edges, facilitating faster and more efficient fixturing and job layout. The plate and slot design allows you to clamp anywhere on the table using the 1 3/4" slots or the 5/8" holes, ensuring maximum flexibility and precision in your welding projects. Modular design for enhanced flexibility. Designed to fit a full line of standard clamps and accessories, sold separately, the Build Pro welding table offers unparalleled versatility. Plates can be reconfigured to extend the width of the table for larger projects. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.